What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad. And as you can see, no, it's not an SRT, it's not a Trackhawk, it's not a 6.4, it's not even a 5.7. But I'll tell you what it does have. This is my wife's 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And no, it's not a Hemi. This actually has the Pentastar V6, as you can see right here. But this is our family's daily driver. And my wife's Jeep just received a major interior upgrade. So let's go ahead and check it out. I want you guys to check out this interior. I just got seat covers for my wife's Jeep Grand Cherokee. Check these out. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit for you guys. But check this out. This is custom interior seat covers. These are not brand new seats. They are just seat covers. Let me go ahead and show you the other side. Check this out. These are premium leather seats right here, guys. Specifically for the Jeep Grand Cherokees, all right? Just check this beautiful thing out. Show you the back right here. It's a little dirty right now. I've actually had these seats for going on 4 months now, I wanna say. And they still look great, like brand new. All right, guys, so my wife's Jeep is sitting at 74,000 miles now. So the seats that are underneath these seat covers, they weren't in the best shape anymore. I'll show you guys the interior, okay? So this is what the seats look like right now. You can see, I already started. Look, I put one on. You can see the freaking difference. I'm about to take this headrest on. It's really easy. You just literally put it on over the top. So I contacted Kustom Interior. As you guys know, I have custom interior seat covers on my 2009 Dodge Charger SRT8. So they sent me a set for this Jeep Grand Cherokee, my wife's Jeep Grand Cherokee, and as you can see, they look freaking great. It just changed the whole interior of my wife's Jeep. They're not hard to install at all, guys. I have an install video of my Dodge Charger that I did. I was gonna make an install video for the Jeep, but the quality wasn't the best. I was doing it in my garage, the lighting was crap. And I'll put footage of it, but essentially they sent me a box. Everything was in this tiny box. All right, so I just took it all out, laid it all out. So you can see it's really high quality, the backside right there. You just put these on over the top, guys. Look how freaking good this quality is. For the front seats, the rear seats, and essentially you just slide it on over. All right, so I got one of the seats in, you can see here. Fits perfectly, you can see that. Amazing. I didn't even have to take the headrest off. It has little Velcro to just rip off, so you can just put the headrest on. Or without having to take the headrest off, I mean. In the back, like I said, fits perfection. I still have to tie the bottom on, but it looks great, guys. It has little hooks that go underneath the seats so it stays in place. It's a great quality, guys. And they make these seat covers for nearly any make and model. I almost want to say all, but it's most makes and models. Go ahead and check out their website, kustominterior.com. They have very good prices. It's really nice because you don't need to hire a professional to install them. You can do them yourself. It took me roughly about an hour from start to finish to install all of the seats. And like I said, I'll put little clips of me installing it. All right, I'm working on the back now. So it's separated between two pieces on these Jeep Grand Cherokees because they're, I think, what's it called, 80-20 split. So that 20 split has its own piece, and then the 80 has its own on the bottom. Same thing on the top. It's the same thing. You're just sliding these things in. I already did it on this side, and then just to hook it underneath again. But yeah, it looks really good. All right, putting these on now. It's just a little bit, you know, you get a little bit of hard work, you know what I mean? Got to roll up your sleeves a little bit, but it's not hard to install at all. This is kind of how it looks like from the back. The headrests do have a little Velcro on the back. It is exposed a little bit. That's probably the only knock I'll give them, but everything else is fitted. You can see it even has a pocket on the seats. And then the rear seats are like a two-piece, so you kind of see the little split right here, just because it is an 80-20 split on the actual seats in these Grand Cherokees. And then if you need to use your center console, you could always zip this down and you can still access your center console. See what I mean? Very nice. They thought about everything on here. And then once you're done, you just zip it back up and you're good to go. Huh? What do you guys think about that? So I got the AC on in here. It's freaking hot outside. That's why you guys see me getting kind of sweaty, but this is kind of what it looks like inside. You can see these things look like they're from the factory, guys. You can't even, if you saw it, if I didn't tell you there were seat covers in this car, you probably wouldn't even have guessed it. And then the best part about these seats is that I could have my dog in here. So if I ever we're going for a drive with my family, I got the dog in here. His nails do not penetrate this. This is nice thick material, and it has a nice scent to it. It smells like brand new in here now, just from these seats alone. This is me in the back right here. You can see just how firm, how nice these seats are. It honestly feels like you got a brand new car without actually having to trade it in. It's like we upgraded to the next model year or whatever. It looks great in here. Okay, so here's the other one from the other side. You can see, look, literally these, you push them in here and you just wrap this around. Like these tabs are on the bottom. They're just to get some extra tightness on the bottom. I haven't even done that yet, and it looks good, okay? So I'm gonna do the next one now. Well, actually, I'm gonna do the top right here. I'm gonna take this headrest off to the top one. You guys will see the difference between the new seat and the old seat, all right? All right, again, here's one seat. It looks freaking great, like a brand new seat in here, and then here's the other one, all right? Big difference, all right? Once I'm done, I'll get it out in the sunlight so you guys can really see it, because it's kind of dark in here. So again, if you're looking to upgrade the interior of your car, you're tired of how old your leather seats or even cloth seats are looking, I'd check out Kustom Interior. Go ahead, hit their website, see if they have something for your make and model. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps my channel out. I'm SRT Dad, and I'm out.
SRT Dad. That's on my boy. What you listening to?